Hello everyone. I have another idea for you and I think, let me check, I think this is the last, yes, this is the last Sunday. So next Sunday we'll be playing with something different, not the kits, but this is the last day for the By Your Side kit. And for today's card, I'm using this cute cat. I took last week one of the cards and I cut it down. So what I did was I took the piece that was left. I cut the front off for last week. This is the back. So I took the exposed brick embossing folder and embossed it. All right. I have a piece of white that's 1/8 of an inch larger for this. I have my card base, and then from the Baker's Twine 3-color pack, I've pulled out this ribbon. Or this twine. It's Flirty Flamingo, which is what my card base is. So let's get this one put together. All right. This is going to go on here with double-sided tape. So I'm going to find my double-sided tape. It's hidden. There it is. All right, let me add my double-sided tape. I wanted to, cats love to play with yarn, and I wanted something that was kind of like yarn, and I thought the twine would be perfect. And as it worked out, I had the Flirty Flamingo, which matches his ears. So I thought, perfect. All right, let me get this off. And we'll get our card put together. A kit is a great way to be able to craft if you don't have a lot of space, if you don't have a lot of supplies, and you don't want a lot of supplies, because you can very easily, when the kit is used up, you may have, all right, now that piece shrunk some, so I'm going to trim that just slightly. That's better. When the kit's used up, you may have some dimensionals left over. You'll have a stamp set, but that's it. Everything else will be gone. So it's, it's perfect to use and not have leftovers. And this is such a fun kit. Kids would love this kit. All right, I'm going to put it on that way. I always look at it. Sometimes it has a funny look to it. All right, so there's that. Now, my cat's going to go here. All right, and it's going to be popped up. But I need to put my twine on. So I need a piece of double-sided tape on the back of this. I'm thinking I need a sentiment on here, but maybe not. All right, I'm going to put this. You can always put it inside. All right, let me take this off. I don't often use sentiments because I want to be able to use it for anything I want. All right, it wants to turn that way, so I'm going to let it turn that way. All right. This is going to turn this way, so I'll let it. And one more there. And oops, it's going to twist. If it wants to twist, let it twist. All right, I've got that. Now I've got to cut this. Now when you cut it, just make sure you have plenty left over that you can see. And now to hold this in place, because I want these pieces to kind of stay where they are, I'm going to go back to my double-sided tape and I'm going to add some extra pieces. Like I taped those in place. I'm going to put one piece in the middle just because that's there. And I'm going to pop this up and I don't want it to stick on anything. And then I'm going to take this and put it there. So it just kind of holds them in place. And then this, oh, isn't he cute? Oh, I know, I said that about the dog. All right, let's get this, some dimensionals on here. All right, let's see. You can also hold your twine down with dimensionals. So just be careful, don't put it on top of the backing for the double-sided tape. It won't stick to it, so it'll be coming off on you. So I just worked around it. All right, and I need one more back and I'm done. All right, come on. There we go. I was trying to do it. All right, let's put him down. And can't you just see him making a mess of yarn? Oh my gosh, that is so cute. All right, there it is.